Hello, and thanks for joining the FrostySith channel today for the July Teaser Tuesday 2020. Okay, well, we just got done dropping off the gang after returning from our June Wind River Range 2020 trip, which was a backpacking and fly fishing and photography trip. And so now we're just running some errands as we clean up and start to reorganize our gear, taking some down products to the laundromat, and need to wash the vehicle and empty the travel cooler and that kind of thing. But really this episode is to talk to you about what's coming up in July here on the channel. And what we should have are some additional freeze-dried meal preps that we did and we actually used on the trip.
Fresh lasagna, no, it's
but we don't have to. But this is what's throwing me.
it's okay.
Is that we don't need to. We don't need to hydrate this.
You do not.
That's what's throwing me.
Mind blown.
That's what's throwing me.
So Greg, come fill one of these and guess.
I did.
Oh, what'd you guess?
Yes,
What'd you guess? Hey, you don't know.
Oh, I think.
And so that'll be interesting. And then we'll start, before the end of July, we'll start rolling out some of the trip vlogs of the trip, starting with our departure and then ending up with our return. So that's the main focus. If there's anything else that you'd like to see on the channel, put it in the comments and let us know. All right, well, stay tuned for trip vlogs and cooking videos. And remember, when you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.
Be on the way as soon as he stops catching fish. Got him. Nice.